Hello everybody, welcome back to your morning maths challenge. It's Wednesday today. Let's have a look at what we've got to do today. The first thing we're going to do is see if you can tell me what is 10 more than my number. So I'm going to say the number and you've got to tell me what 10 more is as quickly as you can. Here we go. 10 more than 75, 85, 7 tens, 8 tens, well done. 10 more than 90. You're right, 100. 10 more than 13, remember the pattern. 23, 1 10, 2 tens, well done. 10 more than 5. 50. Super stuff. This time, what is 10 less than my number? Here we go. 10 less than 17. 7. Remember, I've taken away the 10 this time. 10 less than 25. Yes, I had 2 tens, now I've got 1 10 for 15. 10 less than 98. 98. 88. 10 less than 44. 44. 34. Super job, everybody. This is a really fun game that you can play with somebody at home. They can tell you a number, you can tell them what 10 less and 10 more is as quickly as you can, and then swap places. Have a go, see how you get on. Remember, if you're finding it tricky to count up and back in tens from any number, you can always pause the video here, choose yourself a square and practice counting in tens from that number. Forwards and back. It's really going to help your maths get speedier. Have a go. Okay, now that our brains are nice and warmed up, here's your morning maths challenge. Get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil and have a go at these 4 questions. Remember what we did yesterday? We started to use our fingers to count up in groups of 5 or 10 or 2. See if you can do that. Have a go and then we'll come back together and see how you got on. Pause the video here, have a go, come back in a moment. Okay, how did you get on, team? Some of them were trickier than others. Let's try the first one. 8 times 2, or 8 groups of 2. Now, we could draw 8 groups, couldn't we? We could draw 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A long time. We could put 2 in each group. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now we need to count in 2s to find our total. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Gosh, that took a long time. 8 lots of 2 equals 16. Now, drawing the groups and putting dots in our groups is a really good method, but it's also a really long method. So let's practice doing it on our fingers instead. Let's see if we can do it a bit quicker. So we're going to count in 2s 8 times using our fingers. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Well done, that was much quicker and we got the same answer. 2 groups of, or 8 groups of 2, or 2 groups of 8 is 16. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. If not, have another go with your fingers. Okay, now that we've practiced using our fingers to count up let's look at the second question. 6 lots of 5. So what do we need to count up in? Multiples of 5. And how many lots should we count? How many fingers should we use? 6, well done. 6 lots of 5. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5, and that made 30. Well done, team. Our maths is super speedy now. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. If not, just have another go. Well done. Okay, we're on a roll now. Question 3. 8 times 10. So, are we counting up in 5s this time, just like last time? No, we're counting up in 10s. And how many fingers will we use? How many lots of 10 do I want? 8 lots of 10. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 lots of 10, and I made 80. Oh, I spotted a pattern. 8, 80. It's like 8 with a 0 on the end, isn't it? 8 lots of 10 makes 80. Give yourself a tick and check that answer if you need to. Well done. Okay, team, I left the trickiest one till last. 4 lots of 3 equals something. Okay. I need 4 lots, or 4 fingers, and I need to count up in 3s. Can I tell you a secret? I don't know how to count up in 3s. Oh, what can I do? Oh, thank you. Yes, if I'm not sure how to count up in 3s, then I could draw my groups, couldn't I? Could draw some pots. I'm going to have 4 pots. 1, 2, 3, 4 pots. How many in each pot? 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So I've got 3 in each of my 4 pots. How many altogether? Now remember, I don't know how to count up in 3s, so what can I do? Count up in 1s. Well done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. 4 lots of 3 equals 12. Let's pop it in here. And just to check, let's count 4 times on our fingers and practice counting in 3s, shall we? I'll help you. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Well done. An extra well done for drawing a picture to help you if you weren't sure how to count up in 3s. Here's a challenge. If you found it tricky to count up in 3s, why don't you practice that at home? See you tomorrow. Bye.